Most people think a cyber attack looks like a Hollywood movie, flashing red lights and rapid typing, but the reality is much quieter and much more dangerous. It starts with the initial breach. Often, it's a single phishing email or an unpatched software vulnerability. Once the attacker is in, they don't strike immediately. They stay low and slow. Next comes lateral movement. The attacker explores your network, seeking higher privileges and hunting for your most sensitive data, financials, IP, or customer records. Then, the final stage, exfiltration. This is the smash and grab. Data is compressed, encrypted, and funneled out to a command and control server. By the time you notice the breach, the damage is already done. Your data is gone, and your reputation is on the line. Understanding the life cycle of an attack is the first step in stopping one. Is your business prepared for the silent threat? The best defense is a proactive one. Don't wait for the breach to happen. Start building your shield today. Secure your network. But what does staying ahead actually look like in a landscape that changes every hour? It means moving beyond basic firewalls and static passwords. It requires a deep understanding of the dwell time, the period an attacker spends hidden in your system before they are detected. Currently, the industry average dwell time is measured in months, not days. During those months, the adversary isn't just watching. They are learning your habits, identifying your backups, and ensuring that when they finally strike, you have no easy way to recover. This is why the human element is both the greatest risk and the most powerful defense. Technology can flag an anomaly, but it takes a trained professional to interpret the signal through the noise. It takes a mind that understands the psychology of the attacker. The uCertify platform doesn't just prepare you with theory, it gives you a real environment to practice it. Through interactive, learn-by-doing labs, you apply concepts hands-on in sandboxed scenarios, experience attacks from the inside, and learn how to defend, secure, and respond with confidence, building practical, job-ready skills, not just knowledge. The goal is resilience. A resilient organization accepts that threats exist, but ensures they never become catastrophes. It's about building a culture of constant vigilance and technical excellence. The digital world never sleeps, and neither do the threats within it. The question isn't whether your network will be tested, but whether your team will have the expertise to stand firm. Don't leave your reputation to chance. Invest in the skills that matter.